Good morning.
We are today traveling across from the Tuscany region across to Rome, or as you would say, home, or Roma. And on our way we decided that we would stop off here in Saturnia. It is a little bit of a hidden gem here in Italy, and so we thought we would check it out. And obviously if we're checking out a hidden gem, we have to put a video together and put it on the channel. The easiest way to get to Saturnia is by car. There is no train access here, and from what we can tell, bus access is very complicated. Now there can be some confusion here because there are several names for the hot springs and also for the spas nearby. So to make things easier for you, if you are planning on visiting, I've put the full address to the car park in the comments below. What you get here in Saturnia is hot springs. There's a few different, I think there's a few different like spas that are like a little bit more fancy, but you always will have this Saturnia, and it's free, just natural hot springs where year round you get nice warm natural jacuzzis that are going to make you smell a little bit. So
yeah.
We're going to go check these out now. I'm going to see if I can get the drone out to make it look even more pretty. We'll see if it looks as pretty as it does on like when you search for Google Photos. We're not sure. Let's see if it's as pretty as what you see on Google Images.
I'm not gonna give it spoilers.
Yeah.
We need to watch this video to the end to find out. We get here and then we just need to park in a place like just in the end of the road, like 5 minutes by walk, something like that.
That wasn't 5 minutes, 2 minutes.
Yeah. It's like €6 for a whole day or €2 an hour.
So we're going to see if we can find our own pool for the whole family. We need to put our bathing suits on there. How American did I just sound there? Bathing suits.
We're just ready now. And they have here a little bit like a coffee place. The bathrooms, they have like showers and stuff. It's cool.
Yeah, I like this sort of entrance thing because it's clearly, like they clearly want to keep it low key and like just well maintained. Like there's a sign there for no plastics, which is cool. And there's just the fact that they want to keep it natural, because you can see this easily being like massively commercialized and just being a big tourist attraction and just having buildings all around it, but they've not done that. No. They've kept it pretty good, so we're gonna go. Oh, let's go check this out and go have a nice little relaxing dip.
What do you think? First impression?
It's very pretty. And then what I didn't expect is the people all here like just chilling out. And made it into like a beach. Oh, and it goes on here.
Yeah, it goes a lot. It's a lot of... Podemos ficar aqui, this is my parents.
So there you have it, Saturnia Hot Springs, an awesome experience. We decided against bringing our GoPro into the hot springs themselves because of the high sulfur content, and we didn't want to risk damaging the camera like would happen to your jewelry. Now we were visiting during the height of tourist season, but it wasn't too crowded considering the entrance to the park itself is free. In total, we're here for just over a couple hours and thoroughly enjoyed our time relaxing before heading on to Rome. If you'd like to check out the rest of our travels and our time in Italy, be sure to hit subscribe and check out the playlist at the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.